where midday light dances through tropical canopy, defining spaces in rich mahogany and cool stone. As day softens, a quiet transition begins, embracing the gentle glow of dusk. Here, reclaimed oak whispers warmth against soft twilight, creating an effortless sanctuary. Golden light washes over the teak deck, drawing you toward a peaceful threshold. Here, every material whispers tranquility. Later, diffused daylight settles on cool slate and cedar, wrapping the space in deep, calming serenity. A perfect retreat. Here, light is carefully sculpted by cedar and canopy overhead. It filters down, creating a soft, rhythmic glow. This sense of calm deepens into the tropical embrace, where golden hour streams through stone and woven wood. Every space invites a slow breath, finding timeless peace in natural depth. Where clean concrete meets bleached oak, a quiet geometry unfolds. The air moves through lines of matte black and soft light. Then the space deepens. Oiled teak and riverstone invite seamless flow. Here, every moment is wrapped in tropical calm. Here, time slows to the rhythm of stone and wood. Travertine paths invite a deep breath, grounding you in quiet elegance. Then, the view expands into tropical light, a serene symmetry where polished limestone meets the airy grace of sheer linen.